From the hills where the struggle cries sound, broken feet still stomping the ground. Children sing through the smoke and rain, still we rise through the hurt and pain. Mama say, keep your spirit strong, even when the nights feel long. Carry truth like a burning flame. Jah know every soul by name. No chain can hold this fire inside. Through the storm we nah go hide. One road, one heart, one mission divine. We walking toward the holy light. We marching to Zion. Step by step we carry on, through the valleys and the war, toward the land we're searching for. Marching to Zion with the drum and freedom song. Hands to the heavens high, never let the spirit die. Concrete jungle still test the youth. Babylon afraid of truth. Politicians sell empty dreams, but righteousness still reigns supreme. Old men chant by the riverside, prophecy they cannot hide. Lion roar through the city walls, Jah people standing tall. Dust rise on the weary feet, still the rebels never retreat. Every heartbeat keeping tight, closer to the sacred climb. We marching to Zion. Step by step we carry on, through the valleys and the war, toward the land we're searching for. Marching to Zion with the drum and freedom song. Hands to the heavens high, never let the spirit die. Ghetto youths with ambition strong, trying to survive where the night's so long. Still we build when the system fail. Truth and justice shall prevail. Can't corrupt the righteous soul. Fire burn while the chalice roll. From Kingston streets to African shore.